Hello, I am here with my friend Meddy Teddy today, and we're going to do just a little set of yoga poses with some balancing. So if you want to get a teddy bear like Meddy Teddy or another stuffed animal about his size, maybe a beanie baby or a stuffy pillow, anything that you want to use that you can balance with in our yoga poses together. So if you need to pause and go grab one, go ahead. All right, we're going to start with a little mindfulness just to get our minds ready for listening. So wherever you are, come to a comfortable seat. Maybe sitting crisscross applesauce, your hands on your knees, your head reaching up nice and tall. And I'm going to close my eyes. You can close your eyes too if you want. We're going to keep our bodies in the same spot, but we're going to just focus our minds on a couple different things. We're going to focus our mind on our toes first. So wherever your toes are, just give them a little wiggle. Give your toes a little wiggle, and then let your toes be still. Breathe in and out. Now focus your mind on your knees. Wherever your knees are, maybe give your knees a little shake. Just a little movement, and then let your knees be still. Breathe in and out. Nicely through your nose. Now focus your mind on your hips or your seat. Maybe rock back and forth a little, shift side to side with your seat. Wiggle, wiggle, and then be still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Focus your mind on your shoulders. Maybe just shake your shoulders side to side, forward and back, up and down, and let your shoulders be still. Breathe in, breathe out. Now focus on your elbows. Shake your elbows, maybe bend one at a time. Just moving your elbows and be still. Breathe in and out. Now your fingers, keeping your hands where they are, just wiggle your fingers, open and close. Touch each finger to your thumb, and be still. Breathe in and out. Now bring your attention to your head, the top of your head. We're going to be really gentle with our head, so maybe make a little circle with your head one way, a little circle the other way, and then lift the top of your head all the way to your ceiling. Breathe in and out. Take 2 more breaths here. 1 more. And gently open your eyes. Lift your cheeks. All right, we're going to do some movement now with our animals, our stuffed animals. If you have a Meddy Teddy, that's great. I'm going to start by laying on my back and holding my teddy just like this on my belly. And then I'm going to bring my knees in and lift my feet. And I'm going to reach up and try to get my animal, my Meddy Teddy, up on my feet. Good. And I'm going to let him balance there. Put my arms down. And now straighten up your legs. See if you can do that with your animal, keeping it balanced on your feet. Maybe you can shift side to side. Keep your animal balanced. Forward and back. Very good. Nice work. Now I'm going to try to put my animal between my feet, holding on to him. Got Meddy Teddy nicely between my feet, and I'm going to sit up into boat. So I'm going to have to rock back and forth a couple times with my feet, and then I can rock up to boat. And I'm holding my animal, Meddy Teddy, between my feet. I'm going to carefully move him onto my shins and balance in boat. Straightening your spine. Maybe lean back a little bit. Good. And then take your animal, take Meddy Teddy up all the way and straighten your legs even more. Good. And now I'm going to let him sit right on my head. And I'm going to rock up. Ooh. Good. He's going to hold on while I turn I'll show you what's next. Okay, so now I'm sitting up. He's sitting right on my head. And I'm going to try to get to frog pose. Okay, so I'm going to put my feet out. Maybe out straight first. We could do pizza pie first. Put our legs out straight and do a little stretch. After that boat pose. Okay, and now I'm going to move my feet using my hands behind me. Try to get up into a squat for frog pose, keeping Meddy Teddy on my head. Ooh, I did it. All right, now breathe in. Wherever you are, you can always put your animal back on your head and start fresh. Keep that top of your head reaching up to the ceiling, and now I'm going to go to star pose. So reach out. Oh boy, standing all the way up. And I'm in standing pose. I'm going to get to star. My feet out nice and wide and straight. Whew. There we go. I made it. Star pose, and Meddy Teddy's doing great. Now I'm going to move my feet back together very carefully. Uh-oh. And I'm going to tree pose. Oh, he needs to steady himself. There we go. All right, I'm going to tree. So balancing carefully, picking up one foot. And breathe, and I'm focusing my eyes to look at one spot. Good balance. I'm going to switch sides. Do tree pose on the other side. Breathe. Yes, one more. Very good. Arms up. Leave your foot down. Now I'm going to chair pose, okay? So feet together. Gently bend your knees like you're sitting in a chair. Good. And from here we can get to eagle. Carefully. Oh, yay. Breathe. Nice focus. Good. Back to chair. Uh-oh. There you go. Stay steady, Mr. Meddy Teddy. Steady, Teddy. Eagle on the other side. Leg over. Arms together. Ooh, you can always have your arms on your shoulders. Oh, there goes Meddy. Okay, that's okay, Meddy. I got ya. All right, we're going to do one more balance like this. I'm going to try flamingo. Okay, so Meddy Teddy, sit up nice and tall. Wherever your animal is, if you're holding him on your head still. That's awesome. You can also have your animal, you could put your animal on your knee. Here, we're going to do flamingo. Pointed foot. You can open to the side. You could put your animal on your leg there. Whoop. Good. We could try the other side. I'm going to start with him on my head again. Point your toe. And then you can open to the side. Good. Belly button in to help you stay nice and tall. And breathe. And back to center. Now I'm going to do chair again and try to get all the way down to the floor. Okay? So chair. Keep my head up nice and straight. Bend down nice and slow. Oh goodness, oh goodness. Keep my arms forward. And here I'm going to separate my knees and sit. And I'm ready for flower. So Meddy Teddy, hang on. Feet together, knees apart. And you're going to lift your feet up and balance in flower. Okay, whoa. Wah! Oh no, Meddy Teddy, I'm so sorry. Whew. All right, now, here's the fun one though. So I've got a nice little spot here for Meddy Teddy to score a basket. Ready? So balancing, and I'm going to gently, woo! And he made a goal. Okay, now I'm going to try to get him on my feet. Okay, so I'm going to go back to flower balance, keep him on my head, see if I can catch him in my feet. Hands here, and whoa, pretty close. I use my hands to help, and he's in my feet, and he's up for boat. Good job. And he's going to come back to my hands, and I'm going to roll back all the way to plow. My feet over the head, And Meddy Teddy can go back to my feet for boat. Good. And then back to my hands for plow. And I'm going to give it a hug. Woo! And rock back and forth a couple times. Very good. And let's do one more transfer back to plow. And then Meddy Teddy can go to my feet. Feet up. See if I can get them on top of my feet again. There we go. Nice job. Meddy Teddy's very calm and balanced. And I'm going to bring them all the way down to my tummy for a nice hug. So I'm going to bend my knees. Reach up. Come on down. Whoop, right on the belly. Good job, Meddy. And he's going to help me remember to breathe while I lower my legs and stretch out for Savasana. And he can stay sitting here in Lotus pose, or Meddy Teddy could lay down too. Wherever your animal is, you can have it rest as well, either next to you or on your belly for Savasana. Your legs straight, shoulders underneath you, your back nice and straight. Back of your head on the floor, and just breathe in and out through your nose. Relaxing your shoulders down your back. Take another breath in. Wherever you are in your mind, just bring your thoughts back to your breathing. Maybe your mind took your thoughts somewhere far away, like mine just did. That's okay. Bring your thoughts back to your breathing, back to your stuffed animal or your Meddy Teddy, back to the space where you're resting. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Let them be still. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in. Breath out. Wrap your arms around your animal, your Meddy Teddy. Bring your knees up, maybe into your tummy as well. Rock side to side. And then roll over to one side. Let your head rest on your arms. Gently sit back up. Bringing your animal to your lap again. Meddy Teddy's going to sit back in crisscross or lotus with us. Head reaching up to the ceiling. Hands on your lap or your knees. Lifting your cheeks. And breathing out. Wonderful, wonderful job. So happy to have you here. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of mindfulness and yoga with us. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.